Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by tasting and diagnosing. If the stew tastes sharply acidic, you need neutralization. If just bright, balancing will do. Measure small tools: 1/4 tsp baking soda, 1 tsp sugar, a knob of butter, or 1/4 cup cream and salt. Add nothing all at once. Instead, do one quick action. Sprinkle a tiny pinch of baking soda or 1/2 tsp sugar. Stir vigorously and wait 2 to 3 minutes. This gives you a clear baseline for the next adjustments. Once done with the initial test, neutralize acid chemically if needed. Add 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon baking soda for a large pot, stir, and let the fizz settle. This reduces acidity quickly. If the sourness is mild, instead use 1/2 to 1 teaspoon sugar or 1 tablespoon honey to balance without altering texture. Make sure to add a source of fat or dairy, such as butter or 1/4 cup cream, to round the mouthfeel, and finish with a small pinch of salt to lift flavors. You finish by simmering the stew for 5 to 10 minutes so flavors meld and any residual fizz dissipates. Taste periodically and make micro-adjustments. If the stew becomes flat from too much neutralizer, restore brightness with 1 teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice and stir. If still sour, repeat tiny baking soda increments, 1/8 teaspoon at a time, or add more fat or dairy to round it out. Troubleshooting tip: if texture or color changes, stop adding alkali and use sweetener plus fat instead.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.